State's Attorney's Office.
Hi, this is Ryan Taylor. I'm calling about the Thomas Reynolds case that was, you guys did a plea bargain today, apparently. I want to speak with somebody about that.
Okay, do you have the case number?
No, I don't.
Okay, I'm sorry, what was the defendant's name?
Thomas Reynolds.
Okay, let me put you on hold and figure out who you need to speak with.
Okay, thank you.
Hey, Ryan, are you still there?
Yes.
Okay, so the attorney that's handling the case, he said if you have any questions or anything to go ahead and email him. I can give you the email whenever you're ready.
Email? Why email? You guys have been doing this. So you guys have done this since the beginning of this case. You won't talk to me. No one's let me know of anything that's been going on. Today, apparently, I've learned from the court records, on top of the multiple private calls that I've gotten from the defendant today about, I've learned that there's
I'm just letting you know what he.
there was a plea deal. I don't want it. No, listen to me. Listen to me. I do not want to email.
I don't need to listen to you.
Yes, you do. You are a public servant. I want to speak with someone. Hung up on me. I'm going to call him right back.
State's Attorney's Office.
This is Ryan Taylor. You are a public servant. I demand to speak with someone.
You're not going to speak to me this way.
I demand to speak with someone. Then don't talk to me. Put me on the phone with somebody.
No one from our office is going to speak to you. I told you what I was told.
I'm sorry. What did you say? No, you said no one from your office is going to speak with me.
I can give you the email.
No, I want to. I'm going to continue to call. I'm going to be persistent. I want to speak with someone on the phone. You are not going to redirect me to emails so I can go on. Hung up on me again.
Thanks for calling the office of Lasalle County State's Attorney Joe Navarro. We are criminal prosecutors and cannot provide any legal.
The Attorney's Office.
I'm going to ask you one last time, and then I'm going to file my lawsuit against your office.
I will give you the email. If you're going to keep yelling at me, I will hang up.
I'm not yelling at you. I am demanding, as a victim, as a victim of a violent crime, I have not swore at you. I have not said anything derogatory toward you. I am being direct, and I am demanding to speak with someone because I am the victim of a violent crime, and there was a plea bargain negotiated today that I was not aware of, nor informed about, nor even discussed with, and I am tired of being redirected to public, PR crap and emails, and I don't want to talk to anybody in email. I want to speak with somebody on the phone, and I don't want to play the attorney game where there's no one in the office, or they're out to lunch, or they're in court. I want to speak with someone, and I am not being rude or insulting to you at all, but I have a right to speak with someone. That is my right as prescribed by law.
Okay, and again, I'm going to tell you, like I told you earlier, I will give you the attorney's email, and you can direct all your questions to that email.
I don't want to speak with someone in an email. I want to speak with someone on the phone. That is my right as a victim of a violent crime, as prescribed by law. You have a duty to fulfill that request. The state's attorney's office has a duty to fulfill that request, as prescribed by law. And I don't want to do emails, and I'm tired of it. You've hung up on me 3 times now. I have not said a single derogatory thing towards you. I have not even used a swear word. But I'm not going to sit here and play like you guys are doing your jobs, because I can imagine what that plea deal was today. It was probably nonsense. And I bet you my attacker is probably not going to jail, because now I'm receiving multiple private phone calls from the defendant talking about how they're going to celebrate what happened today, his negotiation that he did today. I want to speak with someone. I want to speak with, not just someone, I want to speak with the prosecutor in the case who completely screwed this up today.
All right, let me put you on hold, okay?
Yep.
Are you on hold?
Yes, I'm still here.
On hold?
Yes.
All right, like I told you before, you can coordinate all your questions through the email that I'm going to provide.
I don't want to talk, Kara. I don't want to be redirected to email. I have a right to speak with somebody. You guys had a hearing today where there was a plea deal, apparently, which was not discussed with me whatsoever. No one informed me of anything. I haven't heard from you guys in over a year. And now you have a plea negotiation today. What'd you guys do? Give them community service? I want to know what happened today, and I have a right to do that.
And like I told you before, I'm going to give you an email and you can direct all your questions.
I'm going to do is file suit against your office. You have a duty, you have an obligation, in your public capacity to speak with me and discuss what occurred today. You have a duty to do that, not to redirect me to email, not to keep me on hold for 10 minutes. I am not swearing at you, I am not being derogatory, I am upset, and I am being direct with you. And you are putting me off like I am, like I have no right to do what I'm doing. And I absolutely do. I want to know what happened today. Stop telling, in the time that it took you to tell me how many times you're going to send me the email and what the email address is, you could have just discussed what you guys did today.
Did you want that email?
I want to know what happened today. With whom am I speaking?
Did you want the email or not?
Is this Kara?
No, my name's not Kara.
Well, with whom am I speaking? Because you're from the state's attorney's office, correct?
That's correct.
Okay, with whom am I speaking? This is very unprofessional.
Don't give out our names due to harassment issues.
I have harassment issues. Wait, I'm sorry. Is that what you just said?
Yes.
So let me get this straight.
If you don't want the email, I'm going to hang up. If you don't want the email, sir, I'm going to hang up.
I am the victim of a violent crime in a case that you guys had a plea negotiation today, and you're calling me, you're saying, oh my God. Oh hell no. I have harassment issues. Oh, I'm taking this to the Attorney General.
Take the Attorney General's office.
I want to speak with someone. You people are not immune. I'm going to take this to the Attorney General's office. I want to speak with somebody, whoever I just talked to, who hung up on me again. This is the 4th time. By the way, I'm recording, and I have been recording this call. And I'm going to continue to record until I speak with somebody.
We don't consent to recording.
I don't give a shit what you consent to. You are a public official.
It's Attorney General's office.
Hi, with whom am I speaking?
This is the state's attorney's office.
I'm aware of that. I'm asking with whom am I speaking directly?
I'm just one of the receptionists here.
Okay, I would like to speak with somebody regarding the plea negotiation that you have, or your prosecutor has negotiated in my case today.
Sir, were we just talking?
I'm sorry, what?
Were we just talking?
What do you mean, were we just talking?
Did you just call our office before? Is this the same?
I have been hung up on by your office now, I don't know, 10 times in a row.
So first, let me tell you, we don't consent to recording. So if you're going to record us, you're going to get hung up on every single time.
I want to speak with someone regarding the plea negotiation in my case today, where I am the victim in that case. I have a right to do that. You have an obligation to fulfill that. This office has put me off for over a year.
Ryan, where are you calling from?
With whom am I speaking now?
Ryan, where are you calling from?
Who am I speaking with?
Ryan, where are you calling from?
With whom am I speaking?
Okay. This has kind of been the problem, Ryan. This is kind of how you've acted throughout the entire...
So what did you do today? What did you do? Did you give him community service?
You won't cooperate in the prosecution.
Are you kidding me?
You basically refused.
I refused. In fact, I've contacted you multiple times over the course of a long period of time and trying to figure out what's going on and when I would have to appear to testify. And I've called you and talked to you and I've gotten no answers and I've been hung up on and redirected to emails. I want to know what happened today.
Ryan, where are you calling from?
Just tell me what happened today.
Ryan, are you going to answer any of my questions? Where are you calling from?
I'm gonna file suit against your office is what I'm gonna do. Are you gonna tell me what happened today or not?
Okay. Are you going to tell me where you're calling from?
I want to speak with someone about what happened today in my case.
Okay, Ryan.
You people are a joke. I'm going to sue your office. That's all.
Get it off your chest. Go ahead. Get it all.
No. I want to know what happened. You could just easily tell me.
Ryan, this is the last phone call we're going to listen to, so get it all out now.
Tell me what happened today in the plea negotiation.
Go ahead and get it off your chest, Ryan.
With whom am I speaking? Worthless.